Good day guys, welcome back to our channel. Now we have a Marui MR888S personal two-way radio. This is a 16 channel UHF two-way radio. The frequency range is 400 to 470 megahertz. This one is 16 channel, and the operating voltage is 3.7 volts. Battery capacity 1200 milliampere. Oops, sorry. Okay.
Turn on the radio. 1, 14, 15, 16.
16 channel. Audio output power niya is up to 1 watt. So RF power is 2 watts. This is 2 watts radio. Mode of operating simplex, with a high gain antenna, impedance of 50 ohms. So this is the power and
turn on the radio. 16,
also
15,
channel
16
selector with a belt clip. And for the headset and programming, you can also program this on Chirp using Baopeng 888. Okay, that's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. 73.